Welcome, MWM will kill again trading crypto. Welcome retail fam, welcome into the live stream. Today it's gonna be a lot of alpha, a lot of trading tips, trading tricks, indicator markets, altcoins. So we're gonna talk about a lot of altcoins today, how to trade them, how to make money. So it's all about that. So I'm not gonna do a lot of market analysis on the financial stocks. So it's gonna be a lot of about altcoins, how to trade them, how to read them, how to make profits, and how to make money also on the way down, not only up. So only on the way down. So this is something that we're gonna talk about also. Oh my God. I always forget to put it on silent. So we're gonna talk about this one. We're seeing Bitcoin going up. Gonna explain you guys a bit about what's going on over there also. So we're gonna combine everything, all the dots, and yeah, well, you're probably gonna make money after this stream again and again and again. So today it's all about that. So push those likes and those thumbs up and let me hear your voices. Check. Let the music run. Thank you. Okay, let's jump in. What do I got over here? What do I got before I'm gonna start talking? Because I got a lot to talk about today, guys. I've got a lot to talk about today, guys. It's very important. What I'm gonna show is gonna be a really big alpha show. So I suggest that you guys really focus. So to the ones that are over here today, well, congrats, you're gonna get really a shitload of alpha today. That's gonna help you how to make money. It's all about making money, so the rest is all noise. So what do we got? Jeff, I got Carlo, Diana, welcome, Rahul, what we got? And Kadia, Raul, Top Dog, Bob, Carlo, Richard, Mario, the truck driver, Top Dog is here, Atolek, Walid, good morning, Muhammad Ali. What do we got? Medic. We got Alpiman, welcome, bro. Hey, Alpiman, I want to see some nice trades, bro. You haven't been showing a lot of trades lately. Come on, bro. What's going on? Stanislav, we got FT. What do we got? We got Luca, we got Biggie, Ernst, we got Fastlane, Willem, Raj. What do we got? Crypto, Gracias, Alcopop, Zoo Park, Anthony. What do I got? ML, I got Tia Blue, Tomorrow, Floriano, Bash is in the house, Bash, Rosie. What do I got? Capians, what do I got? We got Sega, Rosie, Skrinta, Faizi, Mama, Bonjour, John Doe. We got 10 Kai. What do we got? Getting on here. Okay, we got on car, OS. Okay, guys. Okay, first of all, let me first of all start with this one, guys. What did I teach you? What I'm teaching, I will keep teaching you guys this. I will keep teaching you this, guys, until I fall dead, till my last breath. I'm gonna teach you guys this. Guys, as long as this freaking monster is holding the indicator, you have to remain bullish. You have to stay and keep looking for those longs. Long. So even when you see a red candle coming down, don't care about it. Just focus on those damn longs. Look at the support levels on altcoins. As long as this thing is just ramping up, there is really zero reason for you to be bearish. It's that simple. And this is also the most important part in trading. So I know that I'm gonna make game traders out of you guys, but you have to understand the basic, and it all starts over here. This is the start of it. So when you see this monster, just use this damn indicator. If you don't have this indicator, make sure that you're trading on Blofin or Weex and you'll get this indicator. And by the way, there's a new partnership coming up. Maybe in the weekend I will announce it. So a third party is getting into our retail fam, our GTC fam. We're going to get a third party because we stopped our partnership with OKX, and we are going to get a new one, a really famous player in the game also. But that's something for later. For now, so guys, this is basic number one. So before you're gonna get wrecked, you think, yeah, well, you know what, this altcoin went up so much, why not let me short it? I get a lot of DMs from traders that DM me like, MW, listen, this coin went up like crazy. Maybe we should short it. That's not how it works in trading. The moment that you're thinking like that, stop. Just erase everything that you have in your mind. It's not that, when should I short? Well, this thing went up. Okay, well, because it went up, I'm gonna short it. And what you see is, whoop, and you're liquidated. So that's not how a professional trader thinks. You don't short something because it went up, and you don't long something because it came down. That's not how it works. I'm teaching you step by step how it works. It works like this. You just put this damn thing. When you see this thing start dumping down, losing the indicator, especially in the 4 hour, because we have been holding this thing now for how long? When was this? When did it start? It started over here. 11th September. What are we today? It's, I think, 27, 28. What is it today? I really have no clue. Let me see. What is it today? 27. So 27. It means that we have been going up, holding this crap for 16 days now. 16 days. So when you see 16 days, you'll also see this. Let me show you. When we broke out, when was this? When we started the move. 16 days. Let me put it on the daily. 16 days. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Over here was when the move started. Boom, boom, boom. And you're seeing this. And let me tell you guys something else. I already talked about this. I don't want to get too much political. But what we also often see is when a lot of wars going on in the world, and aid packages come out, whatever. You most of the time see Bitcoin ramping up, especially when those aid packages come out. So when you see in the news, well, there's a new 8 billion, 10 billion, 20 billion, 50 billion aid package coming out, you see Bitcoin showing strength. Maybe there's a theory behind it. Maybe they're buying Bitcoin and sending Bitcoin. I really don't have a clue, and I don't even care. I hate politics and I hate everything political related. So, but for me, this is important. And when do I follow this? Because you got, okay, you see, okay, well, we signed a new aid package. Boom, Bitcoin up. Is this a coincidence? I've seen it a lot of times. I already made a chart about it where I explained exactly when war started and tension started. And when you see Bitcoin going up like crazy, is that a coincidence? I don't think so. I just don't think so. So let me go and explain a bit more about this, because what we're seeing now over here, we got this one, it's just, this thing is just ramping up over here. So on the 4 hour, just like I showed you, let me put it on the 4 hour. 4 hour, listen guys, as long as we're holding this snake over here, there's no reason to be bearish. And I tweeted today, the preparations for the shorts are going to start. When I say that, it's preparations. And you know, we are professional traders, so we know what to short and when to short it. It's not just, I just open up some short. Why? Because I feel like it. That's not how it works. We're preparing for the short. So when I say I prepare for shorts, how you do that, you have to be always some steps ahead of the markets. That's the only way how you can make money. So when I say preparation, suppose that the price is over here, I'm preparing over here the short. So when it does like this, and it does like this, over here is when I'm gonna make the most money. So this is what I mean by preparation. We're preparing. But for now, the charts are showing us there is really nothing to be bearish about. Look at it. We're just going up. The whole world, they don't care. Everything just go up. And I said it before, this US 500, it keeps breaking resistance after resistance after resistance. And especially with this one, are you seeing this? It's trying to break out every time. Rejected. So if this one, if the US dollar will come back again, and also especially if it would come back to this box, if it comes back to this regions also, well, you can expect that you'll see more explosive gains on crypto markets, whatever. So we're still on the upper side. So as much as I want to tell you that maybe the upside is done, but the facts show us that we're getting rejected over and over again. So if this thing starts dumping down, whoop, that means that we're gonna get more green. Altcoins might pump more, markets will pump more, Bitcoin might pump more, everything will pump more. It's just how markets work. It's just how it works. And now I'm gonna show you guys some things, because now enough about the markets. I hope if you guys, if you don't understand this, rewatch this live stream, especially this part, because I want you to understand this. And if you see me or you see the team sharing some short trade setup, they know what they're doing. There are other reasons why they're shorting, because you have to see it like this. Who or what is a professional trader? He has got like 3-4 longs open, and at the same time he has got 2 shorts open. That's a professional trader, because he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. He's making money up and down. He knows what he's doing. He knows how to time the markets. He knows who the weak sheep are, or maybe there's a reason that a coin might go down, or maybe it's overbought, etc., etc. There are a lot of things that play a role to go long, to go short on an altcoin. And, you know, we do our research. We know what we're doing. We're not just out here, just like the average crypto content YouTube channel. Yes, well, okay, let's start. Zeta is going to the moon. Well, start long in it, and we're very bullish. And, you know, I've been reading some summaries, by the way. I'm reading some summaries from some crypto shows because I've got an app. I'm going to show you guys that one also, by the way. That's something that I'm going to show you guys this one. But we have, there is a new app. I'm going to show it maybe in the weekend. There is an app. I don't need to watch all those crypto shows, but you know, I want to stay updated what they are telling the masses. I need to know it. And there is an app. It's a paid app. It's, I think, something like $90 a year or $10 a month. I don't know. Not a lot of money, at least not for me. What this app does, you can just put in all those crypto shows that you want to follow, that you want the information from. And when they release their vids, this app will give you, it gives you a message, and in that app you can either read the summary or you can get a voiceover of the summary of that whole crypto show. Yeah, by the way, you can also use it on my channel. By the way, if you don't have the time to get in and to be available on my, but you know, most of my live streams, you need to see the chart, so you need to see what it's. You don't gonna get a lot of help, but this app is really great, and you know. when I'm at the gym or whatever, I just put my headset on and, you know, and I'm listening in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes what a crypto show has been telling people for an hour. Because, you know, I don't have the time to do that. So that's about that. So first of all, I hope that that's clear. So let me jump into the altcoins. I just want to talk about altcoins today. So it's all about altcoins. First of all, I saw Jasmine. Let me show you guys Jasmine, I was watching a thing. Now, focus what I'm saying now. Focus, I'm going to teach you how you're going to make money now. I'm going to teach you how you're going to make money. Jasmine. What Jasmine did out of the sudden. By the way, how can you see these coins? Guys, just use the bubbles. The bubbles are the easiest ones. Just use bubbles. If you got 2 screens or 3 screens, I got a lot of screens. But, you know, you just put in the bubbles and you can put your bubbles on 5 minutes. And then what you'll see when a coin pumps, you're gonna see a big bubble, and that's, oh, wait a minute, what's going on? So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it on 5 minutes, for example. Just giving you guys an example. So this is like Jasmine. Out of the sudden, I'm just sitting on my charts doing my thing. Then out of the sudden, I'm seeing Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine up. Okay, then I put on my indicator. What's going on over here? What's going on over here with Jasmine? Why? Boop. Then I watch on a 5 minute. Oh, wait a minute. We're holding over here, and then boop, this candle up. Because you'll see it's a huge candle up on volume also. This could be an entry. Because why? You know that someone is getting bullish on Jasmine, for example. What you do, you close, it closes above it, entry. Just enter the damn thing. Put it on a 20x, 30x, whatever you want. As long as it's holding above the indie, you're in it. And well, you know, no greed. If you just went in, suppose that you made $500 over here, just take the damn money, or just at least take half out of it, or 75%. But keep your position always open. Because why? The indie rules if you going down or not. So as long as this thing, because it might just come down and the indicator will be over here, and then over here it will bounce up, make another nice gain. And the indicator will travel with it, and then over here, whoop, another gain. Guys, this indicator is your best friend when volatile. You need the coins that are volatile. You need the coins that have a lot of volume on them. You need the coins that are ramping up. And this indicator will guide you through those gains. You don't have to worry. You don't have to be afraid. Just higher up your stop loss and do your stop loss. By the way, guys, I'm warning you, when you're trading on leverage, make sure when you put on a stop loss, put in like 3 stop losses. Because it could happen. It's maybe 2, 3, 4, 5% of the times. But if a big dump happens and you only have 1 SL over here, it might not hit. It might not hit. So always put in 2 or 3 SLs. Don't put in just 1, especially if you're trading on volume, if you're trading on big positions. Always put in 2, 3 of those. So that's about that. That's what I wanted to. Listen, guys, this is, you know, you'll probably think to yourself, what is this guy telling us? Well, what is he talking about? Whatever. Guys, I've been there. No, you know, I've been, you just have to do it. Just do it. Just do, you gotta see, you know, there are a lot of retailers already doing it. That's the P&Ls that you keep seeing. MW, thank you. MW, thank you. MW, thank you. In the MW indicator is the best. You keep seeing it. But guys, it's true. It's just how I'm showing you. So let me go to some coins today, because you know, you guys, most of you guys over here, you want me to see the coins. So this one, to be honest, I catch this one. I catch this one, and I explained you exactly how I catched it. That's how I catch it. It's very simple. You don't need any paid version of whatever. You only need 2 things. You need the crypto bubbles, and you need the indicator. Those are the 2 things that you need. And you're just sitting on your desk, waiting. And when you see on the bubbles, put in a 5 minutes, or 1 minute, whatever you want, and you see one big bubble up, and then, oh, wait a minute. Let's see what's going on over there. It's a lot of volume, and then boom, you're going in. And you know, this push is also caused by Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is ramping up, just like I explained you guys in like 5 minutes ago. So let me show you guys something else. Let me go to the coins that are, you know, these coins are very, let me just say, I'm going through them. So first of all, this coin, order, I think it's an exchange, I don't know what it is. There's some volume on this one, guys. I don't know what's going on with this coin, but you know, I don't like coins that are at this region. But this is a pretty new altcoin over here, so I don't know what's going on. Just keep it in mind. Order. Then we got this old dog, Telos, showing a lot of power today. You know, this is, I don't know what's going on at Telos, but Telos is showing a lot of power. So keep an eye on Telos. Telos might, it broke out over here, it might want to pump. This zig thing, not interested. Also showing some volume, but I'm not interested in this zig thing. This one I am interested in. This is Parcel. Guys, this is a very low market cap. This is a very low market cap. And this is, I think this is RWA. This Parcel, what was it? Was it 40 million? I think it was, let me check one moment. Let me check. Yes, this is 40 million. It has got a fully diluted market of 250. So I wouldn't hold this long term. But if some volume hits in, well, this target could be reached very fast. It's a double. Let me go to this one. This one I like a lot. This is also RWA. This one I like a lot. We had this big dump up. Big pump up, and then we had this big dump down. But look at this, guys. This is TA. This is what I want you to do. Listen, look at this. This is the 200 EMA with the indicator. Hold on the daily. Hold, boom. And this thing, it might want to reach these levels again. Because if it gets allowed this RWA, maybe October is a RWA month. I don't know. I don't care also. I just follow the altcoins that are showing strength and making moves, and volume is hitting in. So this rare, keep an eye on rare. I said it. I want to talk about some other coins that we already talked about. I saw a very big pump up on another coin. Let me see, one moment please. Well, what was it? There was another coin. Where is my other coin that I wanted to talk about? Yes, this LDO, by the way, guys. I already talked about it. I told you that it was showing strength and LDO is looking super bullish. Well, this thing is ramping up, guys. This is ramping up. So, target 200 EMA. Maybe they want to go test it. Target 200 EMA. Keep an eye on Lido. We need to break this one. You see this? So, be very careful over here. This could be resistance. So, but if we'll break above this one, this is just a matter of time to reach this one. So keep an eye on that one. Another one I wanted to show you guys. This OGN thing. This OGN thing didn't ramp up yet. So OGN is showing, you see this, guys? Let me put it on a weekly so you can see it better. Look, guys. Talking about opportunities. Look at this, guys. Let me tell you this OGN. I'm also going to talk about our altcoins that we, let me see. No, not that one. Let me see. It's my other one, OGN. I've got two keyboards. And then sometimes I start making, let's see, OGN, guys. OGN, yes, 65,138,000. Guys, this OGN thing, this is against Bitcoin, by the way, guys. This is the OGN against, look at this. Look at this. Guys, this thing didn't move yet. Look at this curve, how beautiful. This is how I see it. Whoop. And then maybe, whoop. You see this? This is this thing. I'm just saying. This ONG thing. It might want to go. So let me show you guys another one, and then we're gonna go to our altcoins. There was one more I wanted to show. Oh, by the way, guys, Atom. You know, it's really you know. I was listening to one of the big shows. I'm not gonna name any names. It was like 1 or 2 days after I did my my Atom live stream, and then 2 days after I see, yes, Atom Acces, this, that, all those Atom that I talked about, all those coins, and then you see those shows talk about them. You know, then I think to myself, guys, we're really doing great. You know why? Because we're seeing the moves before they do. These are the, you have to understand it like this. How is it possible that MW on his own with his team gives away an ecosystem that is bullish before one of the biggest shows that has got like 100 researchers? I don't know. I really don't get it. I really don't get it. Guys, by the way, be very careful over here. Atom. Atom is gaining momentum, just like I told you, it's showing power against Bitcoin. Because, you know, I don't need 100 researchers to see that Atom is doing great. I don't need that. You know why? Because I've got my chart in front of me. My chart is showing me that Atom is gaining momentum against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, just like I explained you guys in the live stream. I think it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I don't remember. So I don't need 100 researchers for that. I just follow where the money is flowing. When I see volume hitting in, I check BTC pair, it's showing strength. ETH is showing strength. Okay, there's something going on at Atom. By the way, guys, this is some resistance level. So keep an eye. But guys, just keep in mind, if we will break this, so if we get into this box over here, so first of all, if we break this line over here, if we'll get into this box, guys, Atom might fly. Atom might fly. Just keep this in mind, guys. Keep this in mind. I'm telling you now, if this thing gets rejected, also, by the way, because I'm showing, let me show you the other side. Suppose that this thing will ramp up over here, and then we'll see something like this. So it goes up, and then it comes down to retest the indicator again over here. This is a very good entry, but don't worry, I will post about this in the free private group, also on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter, free private group. I will show you. But this, I'm eyeing Atom, and I know we gotta make a lot of money on Atom. Just calma, just calma. Chihuahua. Boom. Guys, this Chihuahua thing, I'm telling you, I'm against all these meme coins and this and that. But if Atom will gain momentum, listen, guys, I want you guys to make money. That's why I'm here. I'm not here to make money out of YouTube because I'm not making any money on YouTube. I'm here for you guys. If Atom will gain more momentum, guys, keep an eye on this Chihuahua. This Chihuahua could blow up, make you a 3, 4, 5x in a matter of 2 days. I'm telling you. So this Chihuahua thing, if Atom gains momentum, this thing, the FOMO might hit in. And you know, based on what I'm seeing over here, it's not showing any weakness. It doesn't even want to come down. Look at this. On the daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I shared it. When did I share it? Over here, I think. I shared it over here, I think. It's already almost doubling from when I shared it. Look at this. So, guys, put on the indicator. Put on the indicator. And you know, if this thing by any means comes down to the 52, or maybe let me put it on the 4 hour. It's better, yes, on the 4 hour. If it comes back to these regions between the 70 and the 50, and you want to take some risks, no financial advice, just do whatever you want. But Chihuahua, because if Atom will start ramping up, Chihuahua will ramp up. It's just how it works. This thing started ramping up even more today. We reached the level. So be very careful over here. For the ones that were buying Arrow when I shared it, I think over here somewhere, this is now where you have to be careful, guys. This is now where you have to be careful. Be careful to get wrecked. Take profits. Just take profits. Yeah, we're talking about Chihuahua. Chihuahua is pumping. What are you guys doing, Mo? Why? Why is it when I say something about Chihuahua, the price goes up? Why? Why? Is there some will with us over here, or is the team doing this? Hey guys, what, you know, yes, I like this stuff. It needs to come down. We want it to come down. It needs to come down. We want to buy in again on the retrace. The ones that bought, well, congrats. So this RO, be very careful about this RO. Okay, so now we're going to my list, and let's see how our coins are doing. How are they doing? We haven't been talking about our coins for a very long time. Why? Why? What's going on with our coins? So what are our coins doing? Let me go to the pink list. So first of all, Ash. What is Ash doing? Ash, what's going on, Ash? Is ours breaking out here? Is this a breakout? It looks like a breakout. It looks like a breakout. Yeah, this is a beautiful breakout. I haven't seen it, haven't traded it, but well, Ash is doing great. Let me see the next one. Let me go to the Akash. How's Akash doing? Akash is also ramping up, getting into resistance. Let me see what is Arweave doing. Arweave. A little weak, still weak. It's very, very strange, this Arweave. I don't know what's going on with this Arweave coin. Arweave. Let me go to the next one. Cody, what is Cody doing? Oh, we had this. This was a beautiful break, guys. Listen, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Down, hold, boom, hit to this target. For the ones that just joined in, these lines were here already. You know, they already were here. Chelo. Chelo is, well, it's fighting back. I think that Chelo, if you're bought some Chelo on our buy levels, I suggest that you take some profits. So that's about, okay, this one I want to talk about. This is what I want to talk about, this one. Let me remove all this. This one I wanted, because this one hasn't been doing that great while we're pumping up. Why? First of all, I think this plays a big role because although dominance is dropping, this one is staying a bit behind. And this monster, this is a sleeping monster, guys. This is really a sleeping monster. So this thing, I'm eyeing it like a hawk, because if you're, you know, you see getting rejected, look at this, guys. Look over here. You see this, what did it do? What did it do? What was this? What was this? This was from here, from buy zone, 70%, 70%. Well, decent, nice. But I think that Flux can do much better. I think that Flux might explode, guys. Flux might explode. So am I buying Flux here? No, I'm not buying Flux over here. We're holding the indicator very beautifully over here. We came back to the 58, but Flux, what to say about Flux? Flux, you have to be very careful with Flux, because Flux is one of those coins that will just ramp up and he leaves you behind. And you'll just stay like, oh, damn, I should have bought more Flux. So Flux for me is a trading coin. I will trade the crap out of Flux, by the way, guys. I will trade about it. So my alarms are set. If this thing breaks out over here on the daily, I'll buy a very big bag of Flux. And I'll trade it for a nice 50, 60, 70%, maybe even 80% on a spot back. So this is Flux. Keep an eye on Flux, guys. So Flux, let me see GLMR. GLMR also from 12 cents, it went back up to 20 cents. Guys, this is, don't underestimate this. This is a 50%. This is more than 50%. I think it's 60. Keep an eye on this one. If Polkadot starts showing some strength, this thing is so super wrecked, it will show some power over here. So keep this in mind. GLMR also. Let me go to the next one. I want to talk about a lot of altcoins today. NEAR, our top 3 coins. What are top 3 coins doing? Well, NEAR is just doing as it does. It's just one of the strongest coins out there. So Link, what is Link doing? Link, oh, also by the way, guys, Link, let me put my alarm over here. Link, this is especially for the leverage traders. This coin, you can, if it breaks up over here on this level, these are the coins where you go heavy. This is where you make the 50Ks, the 100Ks in 2-3 trades, if you're a high volume trader. So keep that in mind. Let me see about OGN. What is OGN? Did we talk about, oh no, we talked about ONG. That was ONG. We got OGN. OGN is also ramping up just easily. What was it? Yes, and then we've got VeChain. VeChain is just trying to fight back. I told you guys, this was a bottom. This was a bottom. Do you remember? This was the bottom, guys. This was the bottom against Bitcoin. It's just what it is. This is the bottom. It can't go any lower. It can go any lower, but the probability that it will go any lower from here is very low, especially on VeChain. So VeChain against ETH, well, it's showing a little bit of power over here. How is not a USDT pair? Let me show you guys. Okay, well, we're getting into resistance, so we need to break this resistance. If we break above it, then it's VeChain time. Then it's just VeChain time. Let me do another one. VU is getting shielded again. So VU, congrats to the ones that bought in over here again and again and again, getting into resistance. So just waiting. XRP, oh my God, XRP guys, XRP. XRP is, yeah, XRP is just one of those coins. So that's about the coins that I want to talk about today. First of all, the ones that we talked about over here, the volume trades, you all know them. So I suggest just go trade them because most of the volume is over there. Trade those ones. Be very careful. Use the Indie. Do I got something from the retail fab? Retail fab, where are you? Where are you? SXP, please. Melvin, XXP, SXP, XXP. Why SXP, bro? Why? Let me see, SXP, why SXP, what's going on with this? SXP made its bump up, and then you just need to just go, don't keep stuck at SXP, because when SXP pumps, it pumps and then it dies again. Just don't get married to these coins. This is SXP on the 4-hour, bro. So it's just holding, ranging over here. Be very careful with SXP. That's just all I have to say. SXP, you know, it's a very solid project, but it's also a very dumpy project. It makes huge bumps up, and then boom, 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 and then people start believing, and then it dumps down. So be very careful with SXP, bro. Let me see. I'm gonna do one more, and then we gonna close it up. Let me see. What do we got? Well, what one shall I do? Portal. Ivan, be very careful with Portal. Portal has got a lot of unlocks going on. Be very careful with Portal, bro. Pixel also. Not Pixel. I think we shorted Pixel in the private, I think, but Pixel also not interested. Let's see, this hamster, I don't know, it got listed on OKX, on Buy, I don't know, this hamster thing, it's going on like crazy. Let me do one more and then we're gonna close it up. Let's see this hamster. I haven't checked it yet. Let's see this hamster. I saw it was getting listed, a lot of promotions, whatever going on with this hamster. What is this hamster thing? I really have a hamster combat. I really have no clue what this is, bro. I don't know. I really don't know. Hamster combat. Let me do another one. Let me do another one. It's a DEX, please. And let me do another one. Then we're gonna close it up. Let me see. What did I miss? What am I missing? My stream. Okay, someone is telling eagled. Okay, we're gonna do eagled, and then we're gonna close it up, guys. Because why? Because I wanna make money and I have to be focused on the charts. That's why. I wanna make money. I'm hungry today, by the way, guys. I'm hungry. I feel like it's a good day to make money. And don't think that it's only up. It might be short also. Today is money. Bro, Eagle is going like banana, so this is beautiful. It's the same like Bitcoin. It's just following Bitcoin at this moment. Are you seeing this? This is beautiful. This is really a beauty. Look, boom, boom, boom. Came back, retest 200, made test. Up. Hold the indicator, respect. So I think that, what was his name again? That owner of Eagle. He's respecting this indicator like a mother chucker. It's, so this about Eagle. Let me put it on the daily if you want to see some resistance levels. Resistance is 35. I don't even have to chart it. I know that 35 and the 200 EMA is coming beautifully with it. So 35, if Eagle will find some more momentum up at 35, you have to be really cautious. 35 is the number of Eagle. 35. So if it dumps down to 20 bucks, you wait until it comes to 35. You take profits. Guys, thank you very much. If you want this indicator, trade on Blofin and also or on Weex, whatever you want. The indicator, you'll get it. Free private group. Thanks all for watching. Have a nice one. Show some love on your way out. Push that like. Why not? Nothing to lose. Just let it ride. Today, follow me on Twitter. I'll be posting a lot on Twitter. And understand when I post something about whatever, it means there's a reason behind it. It means that you got to make money. So keep that in mind. Today, I'm going to prepare the short setups. I'm also going to prepare the weekend trade setup. So I think the weekends, if we get lucky, because we didn't get it past weekend, maybe this weekend we'll get some altcoins that are gonna moon and they're gonna go up. And if they go up, I need to be there. I don't care. You can watch 100 YouTube shows, but MW is always there where the money is. Because why? I follow the money. Thanks all. Love you all. Have a nice one and bye-bye.